Execution of online conference. So we have planned everything, laptop, StreamYard, audience, posters and everything. So how can you execute? On the same day before, you can make your checklist, discussion with your team, confirm your all guests, speakers and everyone. So we can just have to confirmation that every checklist and every systematic things and power backup and internet backup will be smoothly run our conference more better and confirmations. So the execution process we have to start. So we need to start process. So in end of the process will be maybe drawback. So we need to highlight the things and make in a checklist. If this is not working, so what we can have to perform, like power backup. So what power backup we have? So we have already in our execution checklist to perform better. So let's move to the conclusion and what we have collect, what information and drive, something that overall the online conferences and this experience of learning. Now you have a potential and you understand the process, how and why the online conference is going to start. So let's move to the conclusion part. Thank you.